So in this video, I'm gonna get to tell you what shops I like on Etsy and what shops I don't like it. This is probably my opinion. Please let me some comments below if shops you guys like it. I would like to check them out, or maybe shops you don't like it, and if you can express why you like it or why you don't like it. Don't just like place the name, because I do buy plants and then I look for reviews and stars, and sometimes I don't get like twice I can order from the same store and twice I get that plant. So please explain to me, and maybe if you want, let me know what type of plant you bought it. And as I promised today, I'm gonna tell you some of the shops I really liked. And this is nothing to be set in stone. It might be that I had just a bad experience with them, and other people do have a better experience. But I want to let you know that I bought some plants from the store that stand out to me was the Sunshine State Foliage. I really recommend that store. And even though my plant died, and it died not because of them, it died because of me. I bought this rare begonia, and it needed special care, and I wasn't up to do that. I mean, I tried, but I failed. And the first time I lost it, I just explained to them. I didn't wait for a refund or anything. I just explained to them what happened, and in hopes that they will show me or will tell me some tips for me to for the next time when I get to buy it, uh, to help me. It's because I had the plant for more than a week, and I really thought it was staying healthy, and then I did something to it probably because the plant cannot just die on you like boom fast. And they were so nice that they sent me another plant right next day. I got the plant; it was healthy again, and it stayed healthy. And I think what I did this time wrong, I thought it needs more warmth, so I put it under a heating mat, and I think I just suffocated. And I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry to. I forgot his name. It's a person, the person's name who runs the store, but Sunshine State Foliage. It's a really nice customer-driven store. I'm really thinking to check it out again. So this is from Golden Greenery, not dot com, Golden Greenery Company. It says Golden Greenery CO, and this is an order from today. I'm very pleased, very excited. Even though they are small size, I thought they will be bigger, but very pleased with how healthy the plants are. And it's cold outside, and it took a long time for them to arrive. I mean, maybe I don't know how to explain how long, because I ordered it a while ago and then they just shipped it. And so I'm like very excited with them. I'm gonna definitely going to check some plants, and I'm gonna see what they have out of stock, and see if I'm interested in something in the future. But that's probably gonna happen in like a month or so, because I want to see how these plants will do. I'm very positive they will be fine. Then the next one was it's called RGV Greenland Shop, and I bought the burley marks from it. I bought it 6 months ago, and absolutely gorgeous plant. Absolutely, I love it. Everything about it, I love it. The only thing that happened is I recently repotted it, and I guess I might hurt some of the roots, or it doesn't like the place where it's staying. Before it was staying in a place where it didn't get enough light, I think, and it kind of started to turn greener. So I wanted to give it more brighter light, so it turns back the variegation. But instead of that, it just kind of drops down. So I'm not sure what's happening. So I'm planning to open it up and see, be a surgeon. And I hope it's just that because I changed the medium and I changed the um, environment. That's what's happening to it. But very nice shop there. I love it. And then the next one, it's probably one of my favorite. If you plan to buy a variegated pearly marks, and that's the Odd Fund, and it's spelled THEODDFROND. Oh, so it's frond, FROND. So they are super nice. I texted them, I mean, I messaged them and I said, oh, I really want to have a nice variegation, blah, 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 blah. And they said, oh, we're trying to choose the best. And it's really pretty. I can tell you it's pretty because my husband actually confiscated that plant from me. So it must be very, very pretty. The next one is Green Escape. With them, I had um, a little bit of harder experience. I can tell you that they're small plants. In my experience, not all survived. I think majority didn't survive, and the larger plants I ordered, they didn't come in good condition, very good condition. They are like okay, but I could have bought those okay plants from a store and choose still the best. And when I tried to talk to the owner, she was telling me that that's shipping damage, and from I have a lot of plants and I order a lot, so I know how shipping damage looks like, and that wasn't well, it took a little bit of back and forth of messages, and she did give me a discount on the order, but I wasn't really. I just, it's a it's a shop that I would like probably keep for now away and see later on what type of reviews they get, and maybe if people can share their pictures on their reviews, then I can maybe try again. I'm not necessarily saying that all their orders are like that. It's just my order mm, tended to be not the best, not what I expected. Because before them, I had other people sending me orders, and they did feel a lot more better. This is coming from far away, and still it's in a very good condition. Then river leaf foliage. I got a dragon tail plant. It was pretty bushy and big and nice, a starter plant. But I was left with two leaves at the end, and now it has I think three. But I'm excited. It's a healthy plant. It's just I think it's probably from shipping, probably from a lot of things that um, I don't know. It lost its um, leaves, but it's still going, and it's strong plant. It's a strong plant. I don't have any issues. I liked about the plant that I had a alocasia next to it that got infected with spider mites, and none of the mites got on my dragon tail, so I was like surprised. Then plenty crew, I got a syngonium, and that was a variegated syngonium. I love it. It's still going and it's very pretty. I will say I lost leaves on it, but they all kind of came back. So my guess is that shipping or maybe environment adjustment and all that, it made leaves fall out. But I have some new growth, like I have new leaves, and I got very scared when the youngest leaf, the new growth, died. And then I got like really scared because I thought, how is it gonna go, you know? And I apparently gave shoots under, and now I have more new leaves, and I'm very pleased. The plant is staying strong. At one point, I thought I'm gonna lose it, but then it got back together, and it's better. And then another one was Monarch Home Design, and I got from them a what's the name of that? I forgot. An Epipremnum aureum, the ones that grow big, big, huge leaves. That's what she's advertising on her page. And I really thought I'm gonna get one of those, maybe not the hugest leaf, but a little bit bigger than what I got. And what I got was this size of leaf. Like they were so tiny, and they were a lot in them, but they died. Like right now, I think I have just like two or three. And come on, how hard can be them to be grown? Because I have epiprimnums, and they are pretty like the money plant, and they are pretty large. Now to the sad part, I really wanted to try to grow with my kids plants from seeds and from cuttings. So I did order some of the monsteras and some other things. I forgot what was that. And I ordered from Thailand made Floralis, CO, Kiliax, Lang Lanka Nature Life, Rare Plants Hub, Ceylon Blue Lotus Store, and none of them arrived. I had Etsy did refund my money for them, but when I tried to text, because I thought maybe they come from out of state or out of country, so I tried to message them and see what's going on. And I waited for a while. I waited for quite a while, and I got no response. So then I had to take action with Etsy. They're not expensive. They're like $8, $10, but you want to get some response. I don't know. I didn't get it, so I didn't really felt like giving my even $8 to someone just for lying. I mean, we shouldn't pay for lies, and I got that refunded on that. Other than that, I had a nice experience with it. See, I just prefer to go and see the plants before I buy it, and maybe if people leave some comments on which stores they actually liked, I would check those out too because I really it's important to me to get the plant like healthy, and I want to enjoy them, and I really love all the plants that arrive to my house, and I'm trying to give them the best I can. Well, that was a lot of talk. So you have guys a nice day, and thank you for watching.